Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English with Mary.
Today, I have a story for you. It is about a very stressful morning.
Have you ever been late for work? Well, last Tuesday, I was very late. Let's watch.
The sun is shining. The birds are singing. But Mary is still asleep.
Oh no! It is 7:45! My alarm did not ring!
I have a meeting at 9 a.m. I have to hurry.
First, I need to brush my teeth.
Brush, fast!
Okay, my face is clean. Now, I need to get dressed.
What should I wear? The red shirt or the blue shirt?
The blue shirt looks professional. This is perfect.
Good morning, John. I am running late.
Morning, honey. Do you want some coffee?
No time for a full cup. I just need some energy.
Okay, I have my bag.
I have my phone. Wait.
Where are my car keys?
I cannot find them.
Are they on the kitchen table?
I put them there.
No! They are not on the table. This is bad.
Maybe they are under the sofa cushion. No keys here, just a coin.
Did you check your coat pocket?
Let me check. No, the pockets are empty.
Oh my goodness! It is 8:15! I am going to miss my meeting.
Look behind those books.
Sometimes you leave things there.
They are not behind the books, John! Where did I put them?
Okay, Mary, calm down. Think. What did you do last night?
I came home. I had grocery bags in my hands.
When I went to the kitchen,
The groceries! I put the milk in the fridge.
Is it possible? Did I leave them inside? Oh, you cold, beautiful keys. I found you.
You put your keys in the fridge? That is very funny.
It is not funny.
Okay, I am leaving now. Bye.
Mary is finally on the road.
But there is a lot of traffic.
Please move, cars.
Please move faster.
Mary runs into her office building.
Sir, the vertical in nature and when...
I made it. It is 8:58. 2 minutes early. Whew. That was a crazy morning. But everything was okay in the end.
Now, a question for you. Where were my keys?
Then tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.